I was working on a side project of mine, which is a musician database. And I thought it was a great opportunity to talk about arrays, because one of the things I wanted to do was just to create a set of random data. So one of the things I've done is just very quickly created a set of values that could go into these places, like first names, surnames, locations, and skills, and pulled them into this JavaScript file. And so eventually I think what we'd like to end up with is just a JSON file full of randomized entries. Those entries might look like some other, so let's just create a variable called musicians, and let's just do one. What we'll want to end up with is like something with a first name, surname, locations, which is, I think, is going to be an array because they might work in multiple locations. So like London, whatever, Birmingham. And then again, like a set of skills, like piano or something. Cool. Let's just log that out. And that'll get us going, I think. And let's just see what we get when we run this file. Create data.